Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing recipe for fish shashlik. I'll share the shashlik platter and I'll show you how to make skewers as well. Since we all are quarantined at home, our physical activity is so low. So I thought to share something which is healthy and nutritious but delicious as well, and it's good for kids and adults. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. Let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First, I'm gonna make a marination. For that, I'm adding freshly minced garlic in a bowl with some ginger, adding red chili powder, cumin powder, and salt. Now I'll add some yogurt. Then I'm adding some orange color, vinegar, and cream. Now, orange color is optional, you can omit that. In the end, I'm adding some cornstarch or corn flour and mix everything well until it's combined. I add a little bit of oil in the marination, and sorry I forgot to show you guys. And when everything is mixed, just bring the fish, and I already pre-washed the fish, and today I'm using Alaskan pollock. And for the skewers, I cut the fillet into small chunks, but of course you can keep the bigger chunks for the platter. Add all the fish in the marination with very light hand, mix until all the fish is coated with your marination. Keep it on a side for 10-15 minutes. Now first we're gonna make our shashlik skewers. For that I am threading onions, capsicum and tomato cubes with the fish and alternating them. And you can make how many shashlik sticks you want, and for the shashlik platter, just leave the fillet as it is. Now I'm adding heating some grill pan and spraying it with a little bit of cooking oil. Marination already have some oil, just an extra precaution so it doesn't stick to the pan. When it's cooked from one side, which will take like 2 minutes, just flip it very carefully and cook it from the other side as well until it gets very nice grill marks. Just bring it out on a platter, and then you can cook shashlik skewers as well in the same manner. Just turn it after a while. Now if you don't have a grill pan or you don't want to make it on a grill pan, you can of course use a regular fry pan with a little bit of oil. For the shashlik platter, I toss the vegetables with the marination and then just grilling them in the same pan until they get very nice charred color. And now the very next day I was cooking the fillet in the fry pan, so I thought to share that with you guys as well. So I just added the fillet in the fry pan with a very teeny oil, let them cook completely, then add the vegetable and just cover it so vegetable can get steamed and get that sauces from the fish. And this is how your shashlik skewers and the platter is ready. In the end, I just sprinkle some chaat masala and some chopped cilantro, and you can serve it with some dal chawal or garlic bread, side pasta salad, baked potato. It's a complete meal itself. It has protein and vegetables, and since I already started my Ramadan series, so it will be perfect for iftar, nutritious and healthy. And if you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. Share it around with the hashtag Ramadan with morEwish. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.